Hi, innovators. So for task one, I'm just going to zoom in so we can see this nice and clearly. So we've been learning to design and represent an algorithm as a flowchart. And this task, for you to be successful, you'll be able to define and identify what an algorithm is, define the term application, define and identify input and output in your flowchart or in your algorithm, where iteration exists within your flowchart, branching, and where you've created and set some variables. To go a little deeper, to be successful at that deeper level, you'll be able to explain how your flowchart works together. So you'll be able to do that. You'll be able to explain the logical flow of your algorithm within the flowchart. You'll be able to show cause and effect of the algorithm on an action or information. And what you'll also be doing is being able to define the problem, saying what is the problem or what is the application that you will be making. Can you find opportunities to break the problem into parts? And can you find any patterns that might help you with the design of your algorithm as well? So we will all be creating the same algorithm, and it's the algorithm for the number guessing game. And the first step is to do some planning on your computational think board. And if you choose to not complete some of the planning on your computational think board, you can see we have there is also attached to the assignment within your slides, each of the steps within your slides, where you'll have an opportunity to define the problem. That's within your slides. There'll be a space for your thinking around how can you break the problem into parts, and a simple place to identify any patterns you might see within the algorithm. And you might think of patterns as is there a pattern with input or output? Is there a pattern with how the flowchart or the algorithm, how you need to work through that algorithm in order to have to solve the problem? And then you'll be able to list some tools or some features that will be a part of your flowchart. The next part is to create the flowchart. And you can use Google Slides. We've done some great work on Google Slides, so that'll be great to see. But if you're looking for a bit of a challenge, you're more than welcome to start to explore Lucidcharts. And a link to create a Lucidchart is also available in the assignment within the Google Classroom here. And then you'll test the logic of your flowchart. And to test, you'll just go through the flowchart yourself. And then the next step is to see if you can get a friend to follow the way your flowchart works and to see if your friend might be able to provide you with some feedback and some feed forward to help improve your flowchart. And then the final step is to record a short clip where you explain how to complete your flowchart or how the algorithm within the flowchart will be able to solve the problem of allowing a user to guess a number that has been chosen by the computer. Okay, thanks for watching.